If you're over 60 and your legs often feel cold, heavy, or cramp at night, chances are your circulation is slowing down, and that can triple your risk of falling. But here's the good news: certain natural drinks can help reverse circulation decline in just days. In this video, I'm revealing 5 science-backed drinks proven to boost blood flow, warm your legs, and reduce cramping naturally and effectively. Stay until the end for my 30-day circulation challenge. It's simple, safe, and can completely change how your legs feel. After age 60, your body produces up to 70% less nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. Without it, arteries stiffen and blood flow drops, especially to your legs. But here's the breakthrough: scientists have found that nitrate and polyphenol-rich drinks can restore nitric oxide levels, open up arteries, and improve blood circulation within hours. Let's count down the top 5 circulation-boosting drinks, ranked by scientific evidence. Top 5 circulation-boosting drinks. Number 5. Pomegranate juice. A delicious antioxidant powerhouse. University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, and Clinical Nutrition, 2014, found that daily pomegranate juice improved arterial flexibility and reduced plaque buildup by up to 30% in older adults. Its natural polyphenols and nitrates boost nitric oxide and protect blood vessels from damage. Drink 4 to 6 ounces of 100% pomegranate juice daily, ideally before exercise or a walk. Number 4. Cocoa drink. Pure cocoa powder is rich in flavanols that enhance nitric oxide production. Harvard School of Public Health studies show cocoa flavanols improve blood vessel dilation and lower blood pressure within 2 hours. It's like a gentle, natural vasodilator in a cup. Mix 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder in warm water or milk, no sugar. Number 3. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is more than calming, it's clinically proven to support circulation. Journal of Nutrition, 2010, showed drinking hibiscus tea reduced systolic blood pressure by 7 mm of mercury in just 6 weeks. It works by relaxing smooth muscle tissue in arteries, allowing better blood flow. Drink 1 cup in the morning and another before bed. Number 2. Arugula smoothie. The hidden gem of circulation health. Arugula contains more natural nitrates than beets or spinach. Nitric Oxide Journal, 2016, found arugula elevates plasma nitrate levels and enhances oxygen efficiency in muscles. This translates to warmer legs, less fatigue, and better endurance. Blend a handful of arugula with apple, cucumber, and lemon for a peppery smoothie. Number 1. Beetroot juice. The undisputed nitric oxide champion. Hypertension Journal, 2015, and University of Exeter, 2015, found beetroot juice widens arteries by up to 30% within hours and lowers blood pressure naturally. It's so effective that elite athletes use it to boost oxygen delivery and stamina. Drink 8 ounces on an empty stomach each morning. Within 3 days, you'll feel warmer legs. Within a week, cramping eases. Here's the circulation boosting plan I recommend. Morning, 8-ounce beetroot juice, empty stomach. Midday, arugula smoothie or celery juice. Evening, hibiscus tea or cocoa drink. Alternate days, 4-ounce pomegranate juice or watermelon juice. Within 3 days, legs feel warmer. Within 7 days, less cramping and swelling. Within 14 days, easier walking, better balance. Within 30 days, noticeable improvement in circulation and energy. Consistency is the secret to lasting results. Share your results in the comments, because thousands of people over 60 are regaining energy and freedom with these simple, natural drinks. If you found this video eye-opening, hit like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to HealthEclipse for more doctor-backed advice for seniors.